Why the lens look like this? Hold on, let me get a little bit. Yeah, a little better. Good morning. So today we're doing a pop-up. You guys know every weekend, usually we do pop-ups every weekend. If you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, we were at Long Beach. Go check it out. It was so fun. It was a nice turnout. I'm satisfied.
Nowhere near this one.
She's looking for her wallet. She lost it. All right, we at Subway again.
I'll be in there.
But today we're gonna be in Riverside, it's an hour away. We've been here. Oh, sorry, focus. So we've been here maybe like 6 times. It's only once a month, so we're about to get something to eat because you guys know vendors' food is overpriced. All right, let's go get something to eat. And the police is messing somebody over here. I need to be a sponsor for Rockstars.
We gotta.
I can't even snacks all day.
What?
Give me my drink. Okay. So you're not gonna eat nothing if I go. You wanna get a bagel real quick or no?
It's 9 o'clock. Everybody's setting up.
Okay guys, so unfortunately Subway is not open until 9 and we cannot wait. Can you give me my straw? So I know, another rock star, please don't judge me on my straw. So we have to just hit the road. I guess we're gonna eat when we get there. They have Subway, I said Subway, oh my god, Subway's on my mind. They have Starbucks literally like I think like 3 minutes away from the spot, so I'll probably just go there. But she don't like Starbucks, I don't know. All right, let's go guys. Okay. Took us a minute, but we're here.
At least we're not the only ones late.
I know. I gotta use the bathroom again.
Morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to.
You don't want nothing? You don't like the sandwiches, huh? They have a croissant. You want a croissant? You said what?
Something tall.
They have a croissant. Do you want a butter croissant? She's not even listening to me. Anyway, guys, we made it. We have to start unpacking. I need to use the restroom though. Drinking does not happen. All right, we use the restroom, then we gonna unload. All right, guys. So I used the restroom. Ooh. This lighting is horrible. How about that? I don't know. Okay, so let's set the tent.
Well, I'm getting used to this. I'm gonna have to move this up. I can't get.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Nobody's fighting you.
Nobody's right.
Fighting you. We're on the slant.
I think we're going right here then. Usually we're right here.
If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me?
All right, I don't know what's wrong with this setting, guys. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's coming out like really dark on here. But anyway, my mom is setting it up. I'm about to run to get us something like a quick little snack or something. I don't know. But we're gonna go to Starbucks. You guys know I'm always going to Starbucks. I should be part owner by now. I need to pay attention, guys. Am I lost? Okay, never mind. Okay, we're good, we're good. I just uploaded a video on YouTube. Shit. Okay. Alright. That means let me turn you off. I'm gonna turn you guys off, but I did upload a video on YouTube just today at 9 o'clock this morning. So go check it out if you have not yet. And I'm gonna focus on the road because apparently I'm not doing good. This line is so long, guys. I can't believe it, but I really want this freaking sandwich, so we're gonna wait. Alright guys, I am back. That line was so freaking long and they sold out of the strawberry acai. That's what I usually get when I go to Starbucks. If I don't feel like drinking tea or coffee, I will get a strawberry acai. I got 2 double smoked bacons for me and my mom, and I just got some waters because they didn't have what we wanted. So, and the barista was nice. I feel like every barista, well, you know, I take that back. The baristas usually that are not at not the Starbucks that are inside like Target or anything. Those people are rude. But I'm talking about the baristas that are also light. Let's go here. That like at a real Starbucks, if that makes any sense. They're just the nicest. They're the nicest. Okay. Ooh, please do not fall. I need to turn this camera off, guys. Alright, I'm gonna turn it back on when I get here. Oh shit, can I make it? Can I make it? Okay, I made it. Boom. Oh, never mind. I made it. I just don't want to spill none of this water. Alright, so today's gonna be an amazing day. I say it every freaking day, you guys already know. I do hope that you guys consider subscribing to my channel. I have been so consistent. I'm so proud of myself. I know I say it damn near every video. I say how consistent I have been, but it's like, it's so amazing how consistent I've been. Like, I really have tunnel vision. Playing no games this year. Well, any year. I have goals and I really want to meet them. Try to make sure I get going the right way. And the only thing is, they're gonna start, I know the DJ's gonna start playing music, so I'm not gonna be able to like really let the videos just play like I usually do, or like how I like to do. So yeah, I'll probably do some voiceovers. I'm learning the hard way that copyright music, non-copyright music that I usually be playing, I usually get flagged. Like a month later, I get flagged, and then YouTube end up taking the music down. So now I need to stop being lazy and do voiceovers when they start playing music in my videos. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just being lazy. Like voiceovers, it don't take that, it actually does, because if you guys know me, I'm always messing up. I can't just speak like fluently. See, I'm messing up already. I'm always messing it up. That's why the voiceovers take so long for me to do. And like, I could write it down, a script, but I like to be authentic. Okay, so this place is about an hour away from where we live, right? So with traffic, it's longer, and after working, I consider pop-ups work because it is a lot of, oh, my hair is so nappy, oh my god. Don't judge me, please. But this place is like like I said, it's over an hour away, and I do consider doing pop-ups a job. So, well, it's only a job like when I have to unload all this stuff. I'm gonna change my shoes because we're in the grass. I consider that to be a job. It's a lot of work. People don't understand, especially if you have a lot of stuff, and we have a lot of stuff. So I do like to take a nap before the event's over so I can be ready to hit the road. Ooh, it's quite loud. key, the cell phone. We are late. The event has started, baby. Oh shoot, I'm forgetting everything in my fanny pack. I'm probably not grabbing any napkins. Made some sales already, of course. I did not report it because a lot of people don't like to be on camera, but yeah, the event has started. Scary people here. Oh, my hair is just and it's really hot. Like, we need another champ for our personal yeah.
But we don't have room
For the
cabin.
This is our setup. Is it charged?
This is where
Usually you own it with that. Alright, we sold the other one. Yay.
get the pizza and
Alright.
give me the crust.
Hey guys, so we have making sales. I'm so excited. So we sold the red dress that was on the mannequin.
I'm sad and happy.
Sad and happy is like a mixed little thing because it's a mixed feeling because
We didn't bring enough.
we didn't bring enough clothes and she wanted a different color, but she was like, okay. But yeah, I'm
I
sitting.
love the fact that she went on the
Yeah, usually
site
people-
immediately like,
You-
oh my god, you guys.
Usually people would say, "Oh, I'm coming back. I do it." She went there right there and there. I should have recorded it, but I'm like, a lot of people don't like me on camera.
I'm taking it off.
You did? Okay. Our lunch is finally here. You can have this one. It's burned.
Hey booth, Christina.
Yeah?
Really appreciate if we could.
Hey guys, I had to put my hair up because this is real. It is hot. I unpacked, I packed up everything. We're just waiting for my mom to come bring the car. So once you unload, oh my god, I can't even speak, guys. So once you pack all your stuff up, that's when you can bring your car on back up here and then, you know, pack up. It's 5:30, making good time. I took like a little power nap, so I think I should be, well, I am good. So today was slower. It was slow, but we still had a good turnout. Okay.
Fanny pack.
You sure?
Check. Got your phone.
Alright, we did it. Woo! Alright, so everything's packed up. I know I look sweaty.
We look a hot mess, I know.
But we did it. So it's time to go home. Today was a good day.
Roll the back windows.
Oh yeah, my ones are falling out. The droids are doing pop-ups. My little car is
In
packed.
her little car. I'm gonna get my truck back. So
Or we can buy Tesla.
we're not buying a Tesla. You're not gonna let them in the Tesla.
No, I'm not. She right. She right.
I'm not buying no Tesla for pop-ups. That's how she trick you.
Right.
We're just gonna go.
Oh,
get it,
okay.
get
All
it.
right. Hold on. Oh, the guy want to get there.
Oh, okay.
He see we all packed up. That's why we're like, okay, it's time for y'all to move.
Yeah, what y'all doing?
I'm sorry, guys.
Closure?
Check the address and we out. We're gonna see you guys in our next vlog. I don't know when I'm gonna vlog again, but you guys know somebody placed. Oh, a car is coming straight up.
They coming.
This way?
Oh. What the hell?
Okay, let's see how we gonna. He gonna have to wait. All right, but somebody placed an order, so I'm gonna be shipping orders after work tomorrow. All right. So I'm excited. All right, so we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. All right, say bye, mama.
Bye, guys.